Hey everyone, welcome back to Gearhead Central. Today we're taking a closer look at one of the most exciting and practical vehicles of the year, the 2026 Toyota camper van. Whether you're into weekend getaways, full-time van life, or just looking for a flexible and comfortable ride, this new camper van from Toyota might just be your dream home on wheels. So let's dive into what makes the 2026 Toyota camper van such a compelling option for adventurers and road trippers alike. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Toyota camper van features a clean and modern design that blends function with style. The front fascia sports a bold grille, LED lighting, and aerodynamic contours that not only look good but also help with fuel efficiency. The high roof design allows for full standing room inside the cabin, while the sliding side door and large rear hatch offer convenient access to the living area. Roof-mounted solar panels and a sleek awning setup give it a purpose-built camper vibe, showing Toyota's focus on off-grid readiness and outdoor appeal. Under the hood, the Toyota camper van is powered by a hybrid powertrain that balances performance and efficiency. You get a 2.5-liter gasoline engine paired with electric motors, providing enough torque to handle mountain roads or long highway stretches with ease. The hybrid system allows for better fuel economy than traditional camper vans, and the regenerative braking helps keep the battery charged while driving. For those looking for a greener footprint, an all-electric version with extended range is expected to roll out later in the year. Now let's step inside. This is where the magic really happens. The 2026 Toyota camper van has a beautifully designed interior that transforms from a driving space into a fully functional living area. The front seats swivel to face the rear, where a fold-out dining table, compact kitchenette, and modular seating create a comfortable space to relax or get work done. The kitchenette includes a 2-burner stove, mini fridge, sink, and storage for utensils and supplies. The rear bench converts into a full-size bed, and hidden compartments provide extra room for gear and luggage. What really sets this camper apart are the unique features designed for life on the road. There's a built-in touchscreen control system that manages lighting, climate, power usage, and water levels all from one hub. Wi-Fi connectivity, USB ports, and a 120V outlet keep your devices charged, and an integrated ventilation system ensures airflow is always fresh. Toyota has also included a portable shower unit and a cassette-style toilet, making the van truly self-contained for off-grid travel. The 2026 Toyota camper van is more than just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle solution for modern explorers. With its smart design, hybrid efficiency, and thoughtful features, Toyota has created a camper that's perfect for everything from weekend adventures to full-time van life. Whether you're heading to the mountains, the coast, or somewhere off the beaten path, this van is ready to take you there in comfort and style. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time right here on Gearhead Central.